Hi everybody, this is Math 10C, Math 10C, Exponents and Radicals review. This is short answer 21, the second half, so questions E through H here. All we're asked to do here is simplify using positive exponents. Now, here I've got a power of a power, and we've seen in previous exercises here that what that means is we're going to multiply those two exponents together, and so this will become 2 to the 12. And then I can go to my calculator and just evaluate 2 to the 12 and get 4,096. That was kind of a nice one. Here, same thing, power of a power. Just notice the negative here. So this becomes 3 to the 2 times negative 4. Okay, so it's going to be 3 to the negative 8. And now I've got to evaluate that because that's going to become 1 over, the negative there causes the reciprocal, so 1 over 3 to the 8. And now I just go to my calculator and evaluate that, 3 to the 8. Okay, and it's getting up there, 6,561 in the denominator because that negative pushed that term down to the denominator. G. Okay, here we go. This is a fun one. Okay, now I've got this outer set of brackets, and then I've got a 4 times 2 to the negative 3 inside here. To do honor to the order of operations, I really should deal with what's inside here first. So this is going to be 2 squared times 2 to the negative 3 to the negative 2. Now, the reason why I did that is because I can see right off the bat that 4 and 2 share a common base. 4 is 2 squared, 2 is just that 2 there. And when I multiply those together, I'm going to add those two exponents. So this will become 2 to the 2 plus negative 3, all to the negative 2. Okay. And again, I'm still just working inside here, so this will be, well, 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. So this is just going to be 2 to the negative 1, all to the negative 2. And I've now got a power of a power. You just multiply exponents. That becomes 2 squared, okay, because negative 1 times negative 2 is just positive 2. And that answer is just 4. That's kind of a nice way to end that. Now, finally, in this question, we've got 6 squared over 5 to the negative 3, all to the negative 3. Okay, well, let's deal with what's inside the brackets here first. This is going to be, okay, 6 squared. I'll deal with that in a second. But over 5 to the negative 3, well, that 5 to the negative 3 is going to bring that up to the numerator, and it'll become 5 to the positive 3, all to the negative 3. Now, let's just deal with what's inside here first. 6 squared is 36. And 5 cubed, 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So 36 times 125, okay, well, we're getting 4,500 here, all to the negative 3. This is going to be a big number here in the denominator. So that negative causes a reciprocal, so this becomes 1 over 4,500 cubed. Okay, here we go. Let's cube it. And it's so big that my calculator, the best that my calculator can do here is make this 9.1125 E10. Now I'm going to actually go through and reciprocate that so that I don't have this scientific notation in the denominator here. And my calculator now gives me 1.097 ... times 10 to the negative 11, which is crazy. There you go.